Dangerous goods by air. Air transport handles $9 trillion worth of goods annually. The industry adheres to strict ICAO and IATA regulations to ensure safety. However, incidents involving undeclared dangerous goods continue to rise. This presentation examines essential safety protocols. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. This course trains professionals on handling, packaging, and transporting dangerous goods by air, focusing on identification, safety, and regulatory compliance. 2. Target Audience. This course is designed for professionals into the handling, packaging, and transportation of dangerous goods by air. 3. Accreditations. Conducted in accordance with STCW Convention, as amended, Chapter 4/2. Key Helideck Operation Regulations. ICAO Annex 14. International Guidelines for Heliport Design and Services. Cap 437. UK Standards for Offshore Helicopter Landing Areas. OGUC Guidelines. Industry-specific practices for offshore helicopter operations. IOGP Standards. Safety recommendations for global petroleum operations. Helideck physical characteristics. Physical requirements. Minimum 1D size based on helicopter type. Weight-bearing capacity exceeding MTOW. Non-skid surface treatment. Proper drainage systems. Obstacle-free requirements. 210 degrees approach/departure sector. 150 degrees limited obstacle sector. 5:1 obstacle gradient within 1000 m. Clear perimeter markings. Helideck equipment systems. Firefighting systems. Foam application systems, extinguishers, and rescue equipment. Weather monitoring. Wind socks, anemometers, and visibility measurement tools. Lighting arrays. Perimeter lights, floodlights, and status indicators. Communication equipment. Radio systems, alarms, and PA announcements. Helideck operation hazards. Fire risks. Fuel spills, hot surfaces, and electrical faults. Human factors. Communication errors, procedural violations, and complacency. Mechanical failures. Equipment malfunctions, surface degradation, and lighting issues. Environmental hazards. Wind, precipitation, visibility, and sea state challenges. The helideck landing officer role. Safety oversight. Ensuring all operations meet safety standards. Team leadership. Directing helideck team members during operations. Communication hub. Maintaining contact between aircraft and installation. Compliance guardian. Verifying all procedures follow regulations. HLO responsibilities timeline. 30 minutes before ETA. Conduct deck inspection. Brief fire team. Check weather conditions. 10 minutes before ETA. Position helideck team. Confirm deck is clear. Establish radio contact. During landing operations. Direct passenger operations. Oversee cargo handling. Monitor refueling procedures. Helicopter departure. Supervise startup procedures. Confirm deck is clear. Complete departure reports. Weather and installation data requirements. Weather report elements. Wind speed and direction. Cloud base and coverage. Visibility range. Air temperature and pressure. Precipitation conditions. Installation data. Vessel heading and speed. Roll, pitch and heave values. Helideck height above sea level. Significant wave height. Current operational limitations. Communication format. Standard aviation terminology. Clear numerical expressions. Units in appropriate standards. Timestamps in UTC format. Regular scheduled updates. Dangerous goods identification. Identification. UN numbers. Proper shipping names. Hazard class assignment. Packaging. UN-approved containers. Appropriate packing groups. Quantity limitations. Labeling. Hazard diamonds. Handling marks. Orientation arrows. Documentation. Shipper's declaration. NOTOC for pilots. Emergency response info. Radio communication protocols. Standard phraseology. Use clear aviation terminology. Avoid slang or colloquialisms. Confirmation techniques. Always acknowledge instructions. Repeat critical information for verification. Emergency procedures. Use Mayday for life-threatening situations. Pan-Pan for urgent situations. Radio checks. Conduct tests before operations. Report signal quality on 1 to 5 scale. Course curriculum. Define the meaning of dangerous goods by air. Recall the legislation and regulations that govern dangerous goods. Identify dangerous goods carried by passengers and crew. Identify accepted and limited quantities of dangerous goods. Identify equipment that is part of operational and airworthiness limitations. Distinguish between the different classifications of dangerous goods. Identify the meaning of subsidiary risks. Identify packing groups and types of packaging. Recall the types of labeling required for dangerous goods. Identify the IATA dangerous goods list. Recall the responsibilities of the shipper. Recall the documentation required for shipping dangerous goods by air. Identify the requirements for loading and shipping dangerous goods by air. Recall the steps to take for handling damaged packages. Identify emergency situations involving dangerous goods and how to respond to them. Identify incidents involving dangerous goods and the procedures for reporting them.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us, or go through our website and visit us at this address.